How to insert a page number on Google Docs with MLA format. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. I have pages in Google Docs, and now we are going to learn how we can insert the MLA format page number. So basically, as you know, MLA format, like you're inserting your page, your name and then page number. And if you want to continue your page name with page number with your name, you have to just follow this for process. Okay, so just double click on header. Okay, and you can simply go in insert, go to the page number and start the page number. And page number will be, insert. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now if this option in first page enable, you need to just disable it. Just untick on this checkbox. Now just click left side of this number, double click on header. It will be enabled to edit. Now click on left side of this header page name number. Now you can type your name. Okay, so this is your name. You can make it bold or underline, and this is a page number. You can also type like page number. Okay, okay, you can write, you know format as you want. You can make bold page number also. Okay, so now we can see all the MLA format has applied to the other page also. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.